All right, so we're gonna do our first heat cycle on this saw. We're always gonna be doing initial tuning. There'll be a little bit of adjustments on the carburetor during this and subsequent heat cycles. Eventually we're going to feed some wood into it after we've done 2 or 3 heat cycles. But you always want to make sure the cover's on. You always want to make sure your bar is on, because the operating specs on RPMs and everything are all based upon having that bar and chain installed. So we're going to see if we can get this started. I still got to fill it with bar oil and fuel. I am going to run it a little bit rich, probably a good 40-to-1, at least on the first 2 or 3 tanks. Otherwise, I'm going to probably be running 45-to-1. I am using, I use 2 different oils, AMSOIL Sabre, but more frequently I'm starting to use Husqvarna XP Plus, as well as their engineered fuel. It's just very good stuff. So at any rate, let's see how this goes. All right, let's try and fire this baby up. It's about 34-35 degrees out. So we are using summer grade oil in here. And let's see if we can, how quickly this brand new baby is gonna fire up.